animal. So students, you see in your textbook. So students, look at the puppies in the picture and their mother. Do you see some similarities between them? Yes. There are the similarities between puppies and their mother. Next picture, look at the butterfly and the caterpillar that has come out of the egg. Caterpillar is come out of the egg and this is butterfly. Do you see some similarities between them? No, there is no similarity between butterfly and the caterpillar. Now next picture, look at the picture. Which picture is this? Hen and its chick and her chicks, and here cat and her kitten. So a hen come out of the egg and chicks also come out of the egg. Do kittens come out of the egg? No, kittens do not come out of the egg. What do you understand from this picture? All these four pictures? They show that the young one do not look any different from their mother. This is the case with almost all living figures, with the exception of the case of frog and this butterfly. Butterfly whose hatching looks completely different. So we will see the growth of animal. Now we will learn about the growth of animal. There are stages of growth in every living thing. Growth is visible after the birth, and thereafter for some time there is stop in growth. Finally, the living being dies. There is, however, the difference in the lifespan of every living thing. A child keeps growing from the time of its birth till the age of 18. This growth is maintained well up to the age of 40. After the age of 40, there is decline in the health of the person and finally death follows. The young one of a cow, goat, dog, cat grows in their mother's tummy. After birth, the young one feed on their mother's milk. But all living things are not born in this way. Some animals lay eggs. Now we will see the growth of chicken. So students, now we will see a chicken is born from an egg. Ants, butterflies, fish, frog and snakes lays egg. We do not often see their eggs. The eggs of certain very small animals are very tiny. They can never be seen at all. Hence, we don't that these animals lay egg, but we know that a hen lay egg. This is the eggs of hen, and the egg of hens are big enough to be easily seen. Like the hen, other birds also lay egg. To ensure the proper growth of chick, the hen needs to give warmth. Here hen is sitting on her egg to give warmth to her egg. To do this, she sit on her egg after laying them. Here hen lay egg and hen sit on her egg to give worm. She is said to be hatching her egg. When she is sit on her egg, she is said hatching her egg. The worm from the body of the hen, which is the egg and the chick inside, slowly keep growing. When hen is sitting on her egg, the chick inside the egg slowly grows on, keep growing. It takes approximately 20 to 22 days for a chick to emerge from a hen egg. However, this period of hatching egg may differ for every bird. Means hen takes 20 to 22 days to grow chick inside the egg, but for different bird the period of hatching is different. When the egg hatching her egg, she does not come out of the coop. She guards her egg. She only step out when she is hungry and thirsty. Means when hen hatching her egg, she doesn't come out of her coop. She come outside when she is thirsty and hungry. So students, see the picture carefully. The chicks come out of the egg. When 20 to 22 days completed, the growth of chick is complete and the chick come out of the egg. And here hen and her chick. The hen look after its chick till they grow a little bigger. Means hen take care of her chicks when they are grow a little bigger. When a hen is hatching her egg, she become aggressive for fear to their safety. Means when hen sit on her egg and he for warm, she becomes aggressive. She attack anyone who tries to go near the egg. Means when hen sit on her egg and anyone go near to that hen, she attack to that person or anything that go near to the hen. Okay students. So students, we studied that how the growth of animal takes place and how the growth of chickens takes place. Now the new term in this topic is hatch. So what is mean by hatch? Hatch means when a hen sit on her eggs to warm them, she is said to be hatching her egg. Again listen, when a hen sit on her egg